if I is equal to under root minus 1, then find the value of 4 plus 5 within first bracket minus half plus I root 3 by 2 whole to the power 334 plus 3 within first bracket minus half plus I root 3 by 2 whole to the power 365. This is the question. Now solution. Before going to solution, I want to say that if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for getting notification of the next classes or before classes. So now solve this question. Solution. The given expression this expression can be reduced, that is equal to 4 plus 5 omega to the power 334 plus 3 omega to the power 365. As it is known that if omega cube is equal to 1, then after solving this according to formula, omega is equal to minus half plus I root 3 by 2. This is, so replace this expression within bracketed by omega, and the formula is omega square, omega cube is equal to 1, and another formula we have had omega plus omega square is equal to 0. So next 4 plus 5 omega to the power cube whole to the power 1 into omega. See, we can write 334 is equal to 3 into 1. It will be 333 plus 1. So this is equal to 1. Similarly, we may write 3 omega to the cube to the power, same way 1 plus 2, 363 plus here 365 plus 2, so writing this omega square. That is equal to 4. As it is known that from the formula omega cube is equal to 1, omega cube 1 to the power 1, so finally this will be 5 omega, this will be plus 3, it is 1 omega square. Now we will reduce this such that we may use this formula. So first 4 plus 5 omega plus 3, to use this formula or writing here, see 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, or omega square is equal to minus 1 minus omega. We may write this, so writing minus 1 minus omega that is equal to 4 plus 5 omega minus 3 omega, that is equal to 4 plus 5 omega minus 3 omega plus 2 omega minus 3, that is equal to 1 plus 2 omega. Now put the values of omega to get the result in terms of I and number, that is equal to 1 plus 2 omega, that is equal to minus half plus I root 3 by 2, that is equal to C. 2 will get cancelled whenever this bracket will be open, so 2 will get cancelled, 1 or 2, 2 get cancelled, 1 minus 1 plus these 2 will get cancelled, I root 3, so that is equal to 1 will get cancelled out, that is equal to I root 3. Therefore the value of the given expression, therefore the value of the given expression is I root 3. You have learned something. If you have learned something, you subscribe this channel for getting the notification of other classes. Thank you for watching. Thank you again.